In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mass send customized emails in Outlook. We'll use Word's mail merge to personalize each message while Outlook sends them individually. So every recipient sees a tailored email instead of a mass blast. First, prepare your data. Open Excel or any app that can save a CSV and create a simple table with one column for email addresses and another for first names. Name them clearly, like email and first name. Keep the data clean, no extra spaces, no blank header rows, and make sure each row has a valid email in the email column. When you are done, save the file to a location you can find easily. For example, contacts.xlsx. Keep headers in the first row, avoid merged cells. And if you see duplicate addresses, clean them up now to prevent multiple messages to the same person. Next, start the mail merge in Microsoft Word. Open a new blank document, go to the Mailings tab and choose Start Mail Merge. Then Email Messages. This tells Word you are composing an email body instead of a printed letter. Type your message right in the document. Where you want personalization. Like a greeting, leave the cursor there so you can insert fields in a moment. Now connect your recipient list. Still on the Mailings tab, click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list. Browse to the Excel or CSV file you saved. Select it, and if Word asks which sheet to use, pick the correct one. Usually the first sheet. Once it's connected, you'll be able to insert your fields. Place the cursor where you want the first name, then insert the first name field so your greeting reads naturally. For example, hello followed by the field. Do the same anywhere you want personalized details. If any field names look off, revisit your spreadsheet and correct the headers. Then reconnect. When everything looks right, you are ready to send. Click Finish and Merge and choose Send Email Messages. In the dialog box, enter a clear subject line. Make sure that to drop-down points to your email column, since that's where the addresses live. Choose your mail format, HTML if you want formatting like bold text, links or images, or plain text for a simple look. And then click OK. Word hands the messages to Outlook. And they'll queue up in the outbox and send using your default account. If you need to pause sending, you can work from the outbox before everything leaves. Otherwise, check Sent Items to confirm delivery. That's it, you've just sent customized emails at scale without exposing a long list of recipients. Thanks for watching.